In today's weekly post, we are going to see how to backup our WordPress website. Website backup is a copy of all our website components such as website codes, databases, images, plugins, themes, and all related files. To avoid any loss of data, we must always backup our website at regular intervals. When I was working on my website, due to some reason, it got crashed. At the time, as I didn't have a backup, I lost all my data and it tended to redo all the changes. It was a painful experience. Since then, I started to backup my website. Steps to configure the backup. First, we need to install and activate the plugin called Updraft Plus. Further, we just go to plugins, add new, then search for Updraft. Install this plugin and activate it. As I already installed and activated, it is showing active. Once you install the Updraft Plus plugin, go to Settings to configure the backup. Here, go to Settings tab. Here you can see Files, Backup Schedule and Database Backup Schedule. So this is where we need to schedule our backup. We can do the manual backup and also we can schedule the automatic backup. Backup schedule is nothing but the frequency of your backup. That is whether you want to perform the backup daily or weekly. There will be around 9 options in the backup schedule, such as manual every 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours, daily, weekly, fortnightly and monthly. You can choose any option, depends upon your requirement. For my site, I have scheduled daily backup. The cool feature of this plugin is once your website is backed up, you will be notified to your email address. Yeah, as I told you earlier, there are 2 types of backup. One is manual backup, the second one is automatic backup. Manual backup is nothing but, let's say if you are going to do some major changes, before that you want to perform a backup, you can do it by triggering the backup. Let me show you how to perform the manual backup. Just go to the backup tab. Here you can click on the backup now. So once you do this, it will ask for the options. You make sure to click all the options except the last one. Then click on backup now. See, now it is taking the backup. See, now the backup has finished. Now you can see the existing backup. So this is what the current backup which we took now. Okay, before doing the backup, we must configure it, which means we need to configure where you want to store your backups. Apart from manual backup, as I told earlier, the second one is automatic. Automatic backup is nothing but it means backing up the database without any manual intervention. We can simply schedule the backup. The plugin will automatically take a backup at regular intervals which we set in the backup schedule. We always cannot go and perform a manual backup every single day. It is better to schedule an automatic backup. In the Backup and Restore tab, you can see when it is going to perform the next backup. Please note that in the free version, you cannot schedule at what time the backup should start, whereas you can just specify the frequency, whether you are going for daily or weekly. Those frequency only we can mention. So this is the backup retention. You also need to configure how many backup copies you want Updraft to keep. If you select 7, let's say if you are selecting 7, which means at any point in time you will have the last 1 week full backup. So before perform or schedule any backup, you need to first configure this storage section. So this is where you want to keep your backup files. There are a lot of options available, including Dropbox, FTP and Google Drive. I have used my Google Drive as the backup storage. Let's say if you select Google Drive and save changes, so it will prompt a message like this. As I have configured to Google Drive. Just for demo purpose, I have selected Dropbox. You also can make use of Google Drive for this. The same kind of link will pop up even if you select Google Drive also to authenticate your account. So you just click on it, sign in with Google, select your account and allow access. Once you allow, then you need to click on complete setup. That's it. Now we have successfully configured our backup to Dropbox. You can do the same thing for Google Drive as well. The backup will be sent to your admin email address. For that, you need to make sure you check on this box. You can view your previous backup by going to Backup and Restore tab and existing backup location. So if you delete your pages or something, then if you want to restore, you can click on the most recent backup which you want to restore and click on restore. It will restore using this backup. In case of a complete website crash, and if you are not able to access even the WP admin page, you need to remove the existing WordPress installation and install it again. Then using the Updraft plugin, you can restore it to its latest backup. Okay, that's it for today's guys. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment, share and subscribe to my channel.